3. See, one time for the first quarter lead. Mama Kore versus Dilina. Yes, counted by host that Kuya. Number 64. Mama Kore tripling developing 4. Ano pinagharap na pamasan? Ibinigay kay number 6. Number 6 kas. Harap si Kuya's auntie. As to 9. To Kuya Jim. Kuya Jim ngayon. Naganap ka pamasan. 13 to shoot. To Haren Tumira. Nagod rebound by Dilina. Dilina ibinigay sa kanyang kasama number 8. Ayan ang bola sa volleyball. Ibinigay sa kasama. Yes, counted. Galing ayan na. Kuya Pinsar. 360. Ibinigay sa kalaban. Ayan na. Nandiyan ngayon ni Harlem number 3. Number 93. Now dribbling the ball looking for an opening 5 minutes and 14 seals. Ang Kuya Ansi. Nagmamanin sa kanyang basket. Binigay. Ayan. Number 60 pero traveling ang ginawa.
Ay, kumpiyansa.
Kuya Harlem binigay kay Panzer. As to Harlem, dribbling the ball. Ibinigay Kuya Jim. Lumoso sa kanyang basket. Noong dalipan, wala. Rebound by. Ayan na, nakagawad pero nandyan pa rin kay Mamamang Kore. No, rebound by Dilina. Pass to Rosal. Rosal, dribbling ball up. Pinira. No, rebound. Who's that? Ayan na. Kuya Libatog to Rosal. Rosal na nagpasanto. Number 64. Kuya, lingkori Kuya. Ito ka kita niya Kuya. Ay, minsan nung pang-shout out, palang nagtagalan ko sa listing. Kaya rin na itong i-shout out. Pwede na ko mamemorize. So, natong vlogger now, Mr. Kuya Cesar Dalahay, natin sa Daprin. Okay, so, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ayan na. Ayan, Pencer, pass to Kuya Jim. Kuya Jim, dribbling the ball, looking for an opening 14 to shoot. Ibinigay kay Pencer. Pencer, tinira, wala. Rebound by Dilina. Dilina, pass to Sembet. Sembet yan, ibinigay kay Libatog sa basket. Oh, no good to Dilina. Yes, count here. 3 minutes and 12 seconds. He scores 6 sa Malindang. 0 Osik. Tumira si Kuya Pencer. Yes, pumuntos na. Counted. Dilina, out of the bound. Pass to Rosal. Rosal dribbling, developing for run opening. Rosal yan ang nagdala ng bola. Gagalibatog back to Rosal. Pass to La. 7 number 61. Yes, counted. They scored machine this morning. Number 64. Ayan, back to back. He scored 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Number 6, tumirang tatlong panos. Oh no, wala. Number 60 foul. Rebound ninaga ni Kuya Jim. Pasa ilalim. Shopping on the goal. Ay, on the lipan pa. Pero foul. Merong piktos-piktos dyan. Nagdala na pong sundang si Kuya. Number 64. Ibili na Kuya. Kaya imong piktos. Arnold, Ted, Chris, and Manolo. Okay, mga po ang makuya sa Sisi. Ayan. Dusa Otso. In favor of Mount Malinda, mga kuya. Ayan, Rosal, pass to La Dilina. Wala. Rebound by Dilina and pass to Libatog. On the goal. Wala. Rebound by Rosal. Yes, counting. Ayan. Halim. Out of the one. Pass to Medina. Medina nagmamali sa basket. Paso Halim. Halim yan. Ayun. Lumabas ang bola. Last few minutes. Referee is holding the ball. Out of the one, number 64, Pastor Rosal. Ibinigay pero inagaw ni Medina. Medina pass to Halim. Halim pwesto na 3-point line. No good rebound by Pastor to Halim. Halim on the goal. Yes, counted. Rosal out of the ball. Pastor number 64. Dribbling the ball, looking for run opening. Nagharap ng kapasan. Ibinigay kay Libatog. Pasto Dilina sa basket. Yes, counted. Dilina. Halen, Jim. Paso Pensar. Pensar dribbling the ball, looking for run opening. Pasto Halen. Halen pumesto ng tatlong palos. No good rebound by Dilina. Pasto Rosal ang hero. Oh, yun. Magbiga na. Yes, counted. Managyan. Happy nara sa lapit ng Bakanon. Ayan na. Pincer dribbling the ball, looking for running pass to Halin. 1 minute! James sa basket to Pincer, seconds of play. Ayan, tinapal ni Dirina. Dirina ngayon, number 55. Ayan na. Ayan, Adanek Van Rosal, yes, counted. 45. Mamangko nito, Pincer. Pincer sa basket. Ay, nahugod ang lakas. Ayan na, 40. Number 64 to Rosal. Rosal shooting on the goal. No good. Rebound by Rosal again. 30. Rosal sa basket. Tinigay kay number 64. On the left hand, yes, counted. 25. Pincer to G.I. Number 9. 20. Posing in a 3-point line. No good. Rebound by Libarov. 15. Libarov dribbling the ball pass to Rosal. 10. Wala pa rin. Ayan kay number 5. Dilina sa to Rosal. Yes, counts here. Ayan na. Back to the game for the second quarter. Is brought to you by Clarin. Ayan na. Binigay kay Kuya Jim on the defense. Yes, counts it. Ayan na. Cesar Dalahay pass to Kuya Liantos. Liantos to Rosal. Dribbling the ball. Binigay sa ilalim to Kuya. Number 3, pero lost ball.
Oh, biyak na Lidza.
Okay, number 13. Number 13 lumusog sa basket. Ibinigay kay number 14. Naganap na kabasahan pero binigay kay Vincent. Kuya Pincer to. Number 13 to Halin. Tumira tatlong post. Yes sir. 3 points. Halin. Libatog. Dribbling the ball 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Libatog pass to number 3. Tumira sa basket. Wala. Ayun, sa labas. Pumunta ang bola.
Biyak na Lidza si rival of Kuya Bilan.
Ay! Foul, Liantos, foul. Okay, pala po no, sa shooting women.
Mga bunso.
Shooting women, third, Sina Kaman. Second, Clarin. First, Ulrich. Mga ito mga shooting women, no? Ay, nagkita na ilang banar, may iko pa. Okay. Last touch.
Oh, shout out naman niya Kuya, shout out. Mintas ka tayo laban, sige. Oh, itza.
Okay, 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Ayan na, number 3. Tumira sa basket. Wala. Rebound by Halim. Iyon ibinigay kay number 13. Number 13, 1-on-1 by Rosal. No good. Rebound by Rosal. Rosal dribbling the ball looking for run na opening. Ayan na, binigay kay Cesar Dalahay. Ginagod. Rebound by Libatog. Yes, Kamsi. Ayan na, Halim. Nagmamadali sa kanyang basket. Ibinigay kay number 14 to Mira. Wala, rebound by Liantos. Liantos, pass to Rosal. Ay, gusto nga gawin, pero wala nagawa. Ayun, shopping on the goal. Yan, Rosal. Score, 24-9 in favor of Malindag. Number 6, pass to Pincer. Shooting pero hindi kiloy. Ayan, lumusog sa basket. Binigay kay Koyatsin. Tumira ang tatlong puntos. Ayan, lumabas ang bola. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Sabret!
Oh, shout out Kuya, shout out.
Ato sa Kuya. Okay na natin mga standing sa mga player. Sa gahapon na ligaw. O niya na.
Ayan, biyak na Lidza, di arrival of our Ginoo Magila sa sisig.
Yan. Puli-puli ang kanyang kaya. Tumira na ng pondo sula. Rebound by Dalay. Yes, count.
And also, President of our Lady Eagles Club, Ate Michelle.
Okay, ayan. Jen Pasto. Number 13. Number 93, Mr. Akuyan. Ibinigay kay number 13. Ayan, so palpal. Ayan na, nagmamadali naman si Kuya Rosal. Shopping on the goal. Yes, counted. Number 13 out of the ball. Pass to number 14. Back to number 13. Pass to number 14. Dribbling the ball. Last few minutes. Ay, ibanggaan na po. Tumba na naman. Ayan, number 13. Yes, counted. Score. Osing 11-28 ang malinang. Ayan na. Ayan. Yes, counted. Number 8. Haling out of the ball, pass to Pincer. Pincer dribbling the ball, looking for run opening 1 minute and 40 seconds. Haling to number 13 to Kuya Jim. Lumusog sa basket. Ibinigay pero nandyan kay Kuya Ligbatog. Nagmamadali sa basket. Ibinigay kay Kuya Liantos. Liantos shopping. Yawn. Pasok. He scored 32-11. 1 minute and 50 seconds.
Why nakakita?
Ayan na. Mini na wala. Rebound by Libatog. Taas to Rosal. Rosal to Manahay. Manahay to Manahay. Ay, binalik. Sabit.
Ang substitution.
Wala bang Bidina connection sa una?
1 minute and 5 seconds.
Please welcome sa rival sa mga Kuya Leo. Kuya Kat!
Rosal sa basket. Mawad. Rebound by Simbe. Simbe tinatrapin sa pero tinuloy binigay sa kasama Rosal. Yes, okay. Sigas sa 50.
Nabot na game.
45. Number 93 in the frequency line. No good, rebound by. Pero nandyan ni Rosal. Rosal, 30. Tumira. No good. Dalaha, yes, Kansi. And 25. Number 14, 20. Yes, Kansi. Libatog to si Bay. My God, be careful. No, ayaw, hinahinay lang. 16! Hinahinay lang kuya, Piniboy. Piniboy? Piniboy? Sana? Piniboy?
Pinisboy.
Kuya Piniboy, hinahinay lang.
Pinisboy.
15! 10! Yes, Karen Liantos.
Iyaray pala mga ginoong at ila Kuya Babik.
Tumira, Haren. Eagles Club. Badminton, women, double. First, Kunas Ryan Eagles Club. Second, Orquídea Eagles Club. Third, Karen Eagles Club. Okay, balik na tanaw niya. Back to the ball game.
Oh.
Yan, count. Wala, rebound by Liantos. Ayun na nga, for the third quarter na siya. Pass to Libatog, 2, host that, turning around. Ibinigay kay Liantos. Nakiyag-kiyag na. 5 to shoot. Ibinigay kay Libatog. Inubusan na ng oras. Inubusan na.
Inubusan?
Yes. Ayan na, Pincer, pass to Piniboy. Piniboy, pass to Haren. Haren, shooting at 3%, pero hindi tinuloy. Pero may sumablay. Solo de la Coya. Foul. Referee is holding the ball. Out of the bound, Koya Pincer. Kuya, Delay. Likori ko Delay. Ayan, Mamang Kone, binigay kay number 18. Tumira tatlong, wala pala. Dalawa lang yan pala. Yes, county. Number 18. Ayan na. Dahil na naman si number 64 on the left hand. Yes, county. Kuya, Piniboy dribbling the ball. Looking for an opening. Ayan. Lumos sa basket, yes, counted. Liantos, dribbling the ball. Looking for an opening. Karap na sinabiritin binigay kay number... Ay! Traveling ang ginawa ni mo, Kuya, number 30. Traveling without baggage, Kuya 30. You traveling without baggage, saan na pwede? Minina, out of the one to. Kuya Piniboy, dribbling the ball, looking for an opening. He scored 40-20 in favor of Mount Malindan. Rebound by Medina. Pass to Halim. Halim, in the shoot. Ito Mira. Rebound by Libato. Pass to number 64. Number 64. Ayan na. Ayoy. Hindi lapay naman. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. To Pencer. Pencer sa basket. Ay, wala. Rebound by Ostad. Ibinigay kay Pencer. Pass to Medina, pero by sabing referee, 3 seconds violation. Sabit! Kuya Fury, number 30 out. Number 8, Hoya Sembet. Ayan na, number 64 pass to Kuya Sembet, dribbling the ball. Looking for an opening, pumiso na 3 puntos. Ayan talaga, tinuloy. Yes, nice. 3 points. Sembet, Kuya. Ayan na. Piniboy dribbling the ball, 2 minutes and 55 seconds. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Kuya Halim, dribbling the ball, looking for an opening. Meron sa basket, si Kuya Balakoy. Wala. Rebound by number 64. Ibinigay kay Kuya Sembet. Holding the ball, pass to Libatog. Libatog sa basket, binigay kay Kuya. Ayun! The scoring machine this morning, Kuya, number 64. 2 minutes and 30 back-to-back the score. Ayan na, Kuya Halim. Dribbling the ball, looking for an opening. Pass to number 18. Number 18 sa basket, binigay kay Kuya Benibay. Iyay, lumabas pa to Kuya Medina. Ibinigay kay Toto Dilina. Pasto Libatog. Thank you Kuya. Libag. Pero may sabi referee, foul Kuya Halim. Ay, shoutout dyan sa mga sisig. Kinain na lang mo tagay dyan. Kuya dyan. Kuya dyan sa mga sisig. Kinain na lang mo tagay dyan. Ayan na. Osak. Okay. Score. 45-20. 45-20 in favor of Mount Malindan. Halim pass to number 18 sa basket. Binigay kay Halim. Wala. Halim again. No good. Rebound by Penibay up. Pero foul si number 64. 1 minute and 54 seconds. 1 minute and 54 seconds remaining time for the third quarter. Score 45-20. 45-20 in favor of Mount Malindan. Hoss out of the ball. Halim pass to Kuya Piniboy. Tumira na ng puntos. Up! Pero nandyan ni number ni Kuya Chen. Wala. Rebound by Toro Dilina. Dilina. Replay the ball. Looking for na pinahinga. Yun. Binigay. Up! Peace pass to number 64 to Dilina. Up! Pero may sabi referee. 3 seconds. Violation. Not counted. 1 minute and 38 seconds. 1 minute and 38 seconds. Score 45-20 in favor of Mount Malindan. Eagles Club. Ayun, tuhalim up. Tinustok ni Kuya Sisa. Mga ka-viewers natin yan. Ayan na. Halim, tumira na ito po ito. Stubborn. Rebound by Halim again. Nakagawan. Pero nandyan pa rin ni Kuya Halim. Ayan, lumusog sa basket. Yay! Wala pa rin ang malas talaga. Ang malas kayo ng kamay ni Kuya Halim, no? Yan, nagmamadali si Dalahay. Dalahay to Liantos. Liantos, wala. Rebound by Liantos again. Liantos lagi. Liantos playing the ball, looking for an opening 10 to shoot. Kuya Sembet tumira. Yes, counted. 1 minute. Seconds to play. Ayan na, Kuya Halim. Kuya Halim up. So, pal-pal. Kuya Halim, ayan na naman. Ayan. Kuya Halim, 50. Tumira, yes, counted. 45. Kuya Mamang Kone. 38 seconds. 38. Mount Malindang 47. Osik for 22. In favor of Mount Malindang. Kuya Simbi tumirang 3 puntos. Ayun, last ball. 35. 30. Allen, turning around. Naganap ng pasan pero tinira. Wala. Rebound by Pasto Seman. 20. To Divina. On the bounce. On the bounce. Wala. 15. To Kuya Lantos. Okay, prepare for championship. Mount Malindang versus Claren. Sige na, kaya masibag ko lang. Hindi na ito magkadula. And Royal Eos na. Ayan na. Libato. Rosal, dribbling ni bola kay Ferran na Pineng, ibigay kay Libatog. Ayan na, 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot na. Rosal, holding the ball, ibigay sa ilalim. Sembet. Oh, wala. Rebound by Halem. Halem, this is for the final quarter now. This is the final quarter. Ayan na, number 93. Number 93, ibigay sa ilalim. Tumira, yes, counting number 9. Libatog to Rosal. Rosal dribbling, develop kay Ferran na Pineng. Ibinigay kay number 32, number 6, number 3, Tumira. No good, pero lost ball. Bola sa Osik, last ball. Si Kuya number 2. Mamang Kone out of the ball, pass to Ali. Ali pass to number 18, dribbling, developing Ferran na Pineng niya si number 8. Kuya Simbi tumira number 10 sa Ali Mamang Kone. Yes, counted. Mamang Kone, Libatog out of the ball, pass to Rosal. Rosal dribbling, developing Ferran na 3 minutes and 45 seconds. 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Score 49, Mount Malindang. Osik 26. And Rosal, 8 to shoot. 8 to shoot. And Rosal dribbling the ball kay Ferran na Pineng na pasari Sembet. Sembet in the 3-point line. Now go rebound by Lepar. Lepar to holding the ball. Looking for Ferran na Pineng to shoot. Ayan na, Libatog pa rin na naghawak ng bola. 5 to shoot to Rosal. Rosal tumayo-mayo pero alagang miss. Ayan na, ibigay kay Halem Pasto, number 18. 3 minutes and 10 seconds to number 8 shopping. Oh, what's happening to you? Kuya, ayan na, may pabuti na lang. Oh, bakit ang kaganyan? Ayan, ay, tumba. Tumba si Kuya, number 18. 3 minutes and 6 seconds. 3 minutes and 2 seconds. Score Mount Malindang 49. Osik 26. Sir. Ayan. Basta. Kuya. Baby boy, wala. Rebound by Libatog. Pass to Rosal. Rosal, binigay kay number 30. Number 32, Rosal. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Oh, yun. 14 to shoot. Rosal. Naganap ng Rosal, binigay kay Kuya. Number 3, Pasto. Kuya, sige. 5 to shoot. Henry Pasto. Kuya, 30, number 30, wala. Rebound by Henry. Inadaw. Ayun, pero sa labas na pula. Tumata ang bola. Number 93 out of the long pass to the ball number 14, Tumira. Yes, counted number 14. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Score 49. 20. This is the final quarter. It's brought to you by Osames Royal to Eagles Club. Ayan na. Kuya Pinimoy, pass to number 2, number 14. Number 14, Tumira, wala. Rebound by number 13. Kuya Pass on number up. Isa decision na ito kaya. Isa decision na ito. Stepping on the red. Stepping on the red. No counted. Now counted 1 minute and 34. 1 minute and 34 is score 51-20 in favor of Mount Malinda. Rosal dribbling ball ibigay kay Kuya number 3. Rebound by Kuya Penser. Pass to Halen. Kuya Halen dribbling ball. Lobo Sasalski. Yon. Counted. Number 30 out of the run. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Rosal, ibigay, ayon. Seconds to play. Seconds to play. Halay na 20 stand. Lower. Rebound by Rosal. 50. Kuya Jerry Boy, ibigay 15. Tumiray, no good right babay. Kuya Serpent 10. Pass to Rosal. Rosal on the posting line. Wala 5. Ayan tinira. No good. Okay. Sikans. Congratulations bottom team and it's